only thing left is the images. So we put in the text ad, and now you can add up to 3 images and up to 3 logos. So you can either use the stock images or upload your own. I'm just gonna pick up one to show you. What we've got over here is a lot of images which I had uploaded before, and it's all about PPC and Google Ads. So you need to keep in mind the image size, otherwise it won't let you upload. So the minimum size is 128 by 128, or the recommended, which I would recommend, is make them bigger so that it looks nice and big on the bigger sized images or image ads as well. So I would keep that as a 1200 by 1200. Logo might not be the right size, but you can just select them from here and it's going to show up here. But now you can see how this ad is going to look like. You got the image, so even if you put up multiple of images in here, then it's going to rotate them with the different headlines, and you will see all the different. There you go. This is how it looks like over here on the ad. Extremely simple and easy, and there's pretty much nothing else to do other than to get it approved. And once it's approved, you will then start to see all the metrics here: how many impressions, clicks, amount spent, how many verified calls you are getting, and how many people have taken or clicked on those map actions. If you don't know what this means, you just hover the mouse over your question mark, and then it will say map actions are the number of times that people saw your ad and then click the pin for your business on Google Maps or got directions to your business. So you can see that if you got a shop front or shop store, how many people are coming through to your shop front or shop store, and whether these ads are increasing your footfall in your store. I would highly recommend you put in a little bit of budget, start running it, and if you find that these campaigns are performing really well, then you increase the budget.